Alright guys, so today I just want to make a quick video on how to install a tablet on your car or your truck or an iPad also. Um, so I didn't do something too professional, I mean it doesn't look that good, but it's enough for me for now. So I'm just gonna go over through what I did. Um, Compared to other videos out there. So this one is super simple. So I put in this 10-inch Samsung tablet on my truck. And so let me show you guys what I did. So I'm gonna take the tablet out. So if you go on YouTube and look for some other videos out there, they will tell you that to put a tablet in, you need to buy a separate amplifier to run your speaker with or whatever, but I just went the easy route. So what I did is I have my stereo right here. It's a dual stereo or whatever. So what I did is I just took the little bracket that it has right here on the side, and I just pushed it in like all the way in. So right now it's setting like all the way in, otherwise it will be popping out like somewhere over here. So this way I can hook it up my tablet to the stereo via Bluetooth, and so I just have the stereo running on the background instead of hooking it up with like an amplifier or something like that. So I just have the volume like all the way up or whatever, and then all I do is control the volume on my tablet. Now what I did over here is I got this little plastic clips. I don't know what to call them. I got them from this bracket that I bought from Walmart to mount my TV on the wall. So I just bought one of those full motion brackets from Walmart, and it came with these little things, I guess, to hide the cables, when you mount your TV on the wall. So this is just an idea. You can pretty much use like, I don't know, like window covers or anything like that, and just cut a little piece of it. I don't know, I'm just giving you guys an idea, and I'm just showing you this is what I did. And so all I do, and then I put this double-sided tape, or I don't know what to call it, this thing right here. So I put one side on the back of my tablet and then the other one over there, and all I do is just set the tablet right there. And to me it looks pretty good. I mean, you can see the bottom of this the clip right here where the tablet sits on, but it won't move or it won't slide sideways either when you're driving. So it sets right there. Really good. So, and it looks pretty good overall. It's not something too complicated. So I'm gonna show you guys here. I don't know if I have it on Bluetooth mode. Let me see here. Before season 2. See? Pretty cool. Or we can play. I don't want to play non-copyright music. And then for the volume, guys, all I did is I downloaded this app. I forgot what's it called, but you can just control the volume right here. You can take it off the thing if you want to, or whatever. You can set it back in there. It just sits like that. Now, as in for the charging part, right now I'm planning on running a cable underneath the dash or the cover back here, and then just plugging it here in the side. I was gonna do a wireless charging right here, but unfortunately my tablet doesn't support wireless charging, so this is how I have it right now. So guys, this is just, a pretty quick idea that I wanted to share with you guys on how to set up a tablet here on your truck or car. See you next time.